Hello everyone, welcome to Hima Tutorials. In today's video, I am going to provide preparation plan for Maths 1B. Okay, if you prepare the following chapters very well, then you can easily pass in this examination. Okay. So, the first chapter is straight lines. From straight lines, we will get 2 marks, 1 4 marks and 1 7 marks. That means we can score total 15 marks from this chapter. Okay. After straight lines, the next chapter is pair of straight lines. From this chapter, we will get 2 7 marks question. That means we can score total 14 marks from this chapter. Okay. And the next chapter is locus. In locus, we will get 1 4 marks question. Okay. After this, the next chapter is transformation of axes. From this chapter, we will get 1 4 marks question. Okay. And the next chapter is DCs and DRs. From this chapter we will get 1 7 marks questions. Okay. So if you prepare these following chapters, that is straight lines, pair of straight lines, locus, transformation of axes, DCs and DRs, then you can easily score 44 marks. So that means you can easily pass in this examination. Okay. So students, apart from these 5 chapters, if time permits, then prepare 3D geometry. Okay, from this we will get 1 2 marks question. And the next one is plane. From this also we will get 1 2 marks question. Okay, so I hope it is clear. That's for the class. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Hima Tutorials. Thank you.